Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. Are you looking to hire reliable contractors in 2024? Whether it's for a home renovation, a new construction project, or any other service requiring skilled professionals, we know how challenging it can be to find the right people for the job. But don't worry, we've got you covered with insider secrets that will help you navigate the often tricky world of contractor hiring. First off, let's talk about what makes a contractor reliable. It's not just about showing up on time or doing good work, although those are certainly important. A reliable contractor is someone who is licensed, insured, and has a proven track record of satisfied clients. But how do you find these people? Start by identifying the right qualifications. In 2024, the market is flooded with contractors claiming to be the best, but not all are created equal. The first thing you need to do is verify their credentials. This means checking for up-to-date licenses and insurance. A licensed contractor is one who has met the standards set by your local authorities, which is a good indication of their competence. Insurance, on the other hand, protects you from liability in case something goes wrong on the job. Don't just take their word for it. Ask for copies of these documents and make sure they're current. Next, it's time to vet potential hires. This is where you need to dig a little deeper. Start by asking the right questions. How long have they been in business? What kind of projects do they specialize in? Can they provide references from previous clients? The answers to these questions will give you a clearer picture of their experience and expertise. Speaking of references, don't skip this step. Checking references effectively is crucial in 2024, when online reviews can be bought or manipulated. Ask for at least 3 references from recent projects. When you contact these references, don't just ask if they were happy with the work. Dig deeper. Ask about the contractor's communication style, their ability to stick to deadlines and budgets, and how they handled any issues that arose during the project. The more specific you can be, the better. Now let's talk about red flags. Even if everything seems perfect on paper, there are warning signs you need to watch out for. One major red flag is if a contractor asks for a large deposit upfront. Anything more than 20% is usually a sign to proceed with caution. Another red flag is if they don't provide a written contract or if they pressure you to make a quick decision. A good contractor will give you time to review all agreements and won't push you into making hasty decisions. Another thing to keep in mind is the contractor's communication style. In 2024, good communication is more important than ever. If they're hard to reach before the project starts, that's a bad sign for how they'll be during the project. Look for someone who's responsive, clear, and transparent in their communication. Let's not forget about pricing. While it's tempting to go with the lowest bid, remember that you often get what you pay for. If a quote seems too good to be true, it probably is. A low price might mean the contractor is cutting corners or planning to hit you with unexpected costs later. Make sure you get detailed written estimates from multiple contractors before making a decision. This will give you a better sense of the going rate for your project and help you avoid any surprises down the line. Finally, trust your instincts. If something feels off about a contractor, it's better to walk away and find someone else. The stakes are too high to take unnecessary risks. Remember, this is your home or project at stake, and you deserve the best. To wrap it up, hiring reliable contractors in 2024 doesn't have to be a gamble. By following these insider tips, you can ensure that you're making informed decisions that will save you time, money, and stress. So, whether you're planning a big renovation or just need some repairs done, take these steps to find a contractor you can trust. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. Subscribe to our channel for more practical tips and stay ahead in the game of hiring reliable contractors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.